Please elaborate and explain the science of enlightenment. Please give a clear picture of enlightenment. How can we attain enlightenment? What is the shortest way to enlightenment? Actually, you need not do anything. That is the only shortest way. So psychologically, we need not do anything. So if you want to do anything, it is the longest way. It cannot be fulfilled. So if you do something, some other thing, it needs some other thing also to be done. So you need not do anything. Psychologically, you need not do anything. So that is the only way. But here, the liberation is the highest thing, but it is already there. But you need not worry about the liberation. We need not work for the liberation. So we have to understand, we have no work in the psychological world. When we do not have any work in the psychological world, the total psychological world is in the liberated world, in the liberated consciousness. What is a simple technique or procedure to achieve self-realization? Self-realization. So this is again the same thing. So here we have to understand. So what is the status of the intellect? For example, in the medicine, for example, some cream or ointment. Some letters will be there. This is only for the external use only. So the intellect is only for the external use. It should not be taken as a psychological use. Internally, intellect is useless. That alone is the problem. The intellect alone is the ignorance. So if in the external world, the intellect can be treated, and it is the intelligence. But if the intellect is used within the psychological world, if you try to create something, this is good, this is bad, then the intellect creates some nuisance within itself. So that is the ignorance. So psychologically, the intellect must be free. It should not have any work within itself. So but at the same time, we should not reject the intellect. The intellect is necessary. With the help of the intellect alone, we have to do everything in the world, everything in our duty, everything for ourselves, for our family, or everything that we have to do. But psychologically, the intellect has no work. So that the intellect has also realized. That is the real self-realization. The self-realization means the intellect has to realize itself. The intellect has to realize its limitations. So it has no work. It is not the jurisdiction. So it has to understand the jurisdiction of itself. So that is a self-realization.